You might not think of it as one of the bigger supermarket chains. However, Lidl are looking to expand massively in 2018. But at what cost to local businesses? As the company's expansion heads towards Fareham, our reporter Adam Goacher spoke to some workers who could be affected.
German retailer Lidl have set their sights on expanding next year, with 5 stores opening in the last month alone heading into 2018. Something many won't think about, however, is where all these new superstores will be built. That question and its answer is of much concern to those working at the Newgate Lane industrial estate in Fareham, as they look set to be forced out to make way for one of many new stores.
Yeah, the situation we found ourselves in, we've been tenants here for 12 years. About 3 years ago, we signed a new lease with the landlord, which all of the other units here have had to do. We were offered a 9-year lease with a break clause of 6 months eviction in it. If we didn't agree to it, the leases would not be renewed. The reason being, we've got a retail giant next to us, a German retail company called Lidl's. They've got a very expansive programme going on at the moment across the country, where they're doubling the size of most of their existing units, and they're looking to build new units. So what's happening is that the landlords are being approached by Lidl's, and Lidl's are looking for landlords to extend their premises into, which has happened to us, unfortunately.
I reached out to Lidl, and here's what they had to say. We will continue to work closely with Fareham Borough Council and the current site owner Rookery Estates to address previous concerns raised and ensure that the transition has minimal impact on existing tenants. Where it's required to serve notice, proposed measures to support them include a lengthened notice period and the provision and funding of a local property professional to act on their behalf, helping them to achieve the best terms for a lease on a new premises, whilst enabling them to focus on their day-to-day business. Not just worried about himself, Kevin is also concerned with the number of skilled workers who could be out of work soon.
Just to give you an example, the presentation I had to do to the planning on Wednesday was highlighting what's being replaced here. We have really high skilled engineering firms and other manufacturing firms on this estate. To give you an example, these are some of the products that are manufactured. These go on an F1 Formula 1 car. This goes on the double-decker Airbus. This goes on luxury yachts. We've got items that go on an Ariane space project. We are losing these highly skilled manufacturing products. We can't afford to lose this in the UK anymore. This is no longer a local government issue. It's a national issue.
With a Lidl store already mere minutes away from the estate, many workers are wondering why a new building is necessary.
I don't understand why they need to knock it down and build one twice the size. I mean, we work here, we work next door to it. It's never busy. I just don't understand.
I also got in touch with Fareham Borough Council, who provided me with a statement that explained how they came to their decision regarding the planning permission. They said officers believe that there are alternative business premises available, and from the evidence available, do not accept that all the affected businesses at the Apex Centre would be required to close, with the resultant loss of jobs should the proposals go ahead. But according to Kevin, there is a shortage of suitable premises in the area, and those that are available have a lot of potential renters after them, so this could be a fight that goes on for a while. Adam Goacher for That's TV.